Hello! To start, I kindly request you to subscribe to the channel and make sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel using this link, which is named Sexy Prompt. All videos are essentially made from his perspective, and for him, in this channel, you can see a large number of prompts. In this channel, you will also be able to find out the most important news about the bot that I am currently creating, and soon it will be available to the public. With this bot, you will have the ability to generate highly detailed prompts and create images with the highest level of quality. And today we will have a discussion about pop art. It is bright, memorable, and highly expressive. That is, it cannot be mistaken for anything else. And the progenitor of this style is none other than Andy Warhol. The pictures that I generated on this topic include Superman, and I also made an attempt to create a dirigible or Robocop in the unmistakable style of pop art. Mario, extremely cute, highly interesting, a completely random K-pop group that caught my attention. This is almost Marilyn Monroe, but it's not her, of course, and not Ronka. Will not repeat one-to-one some very famous images. The girl is simply standing next to a barrel. It could be an advertisement for oil, perhaps. The Beatles with their legendary yellow submarine, but they are all here in one person. These are nuances of prompt. Certainly I require it, as it would provide a greater level of detail. Einstein's insights are invaluable. Add Dosirak, for example. That's how the neural network sees this ad. Well, basically that's it. Let's move on to the review of prompt itself. Prompt itself looks quite comprehensive, concise, and all the important nuances are already spelled out in it. The most crucial aspect is present right from the start. I possess the Beatles' yellow submarine. It has the potential to be anything. Let's assume it's cat, simply a cat. You are coded by Andy Warhol's pop art style. That is, the neural network knows very well all the basic things about both the party style and Andy Warhol himself, so there will be no problems with that at all. However, if you require establishing a prompt and obtaining a more authentic, elaborate depiction with a specific storyline, it is inevitable that you will have to invest time and articulate the utmost of your knowledge regarding the subject matter. Plot, emotions, light, environment, all in maximum detail with utmost precision. The more detailed the spec, the more accurate the result will be. Well, the code turned out like this. Although he adheres to all the canons of pop art, in order to create something more original, unique, and distinctive, it is necessary, of course, to attempt to expand this prompt. And now, in addition to pop art, to make this video not too short, because I have already said everything I wanted to say, I had a thought to conduct an experiment. What are the advantages of the neural network? She creates an intriguing blend, a fusion of various styles. That is, if we are discussing the pop art style of Andy Warhol, then we have the opportunity to include another talented, innovative artist who can contribute something fresh to this style. Possibly new graphics, possibly new colors. As a result, the first artist that comes to mind is Van Gogh, renowned for his iconic paintings. Let us give it a try with him. I have never known how to write and Van Gogh in English, so I will use it. Vincent van Gogh, that is it. So what should we do now? Let's figure out the next steps and proceed accordingly. We are currently working on this story. We write in the pop art style by Andy Warhol, put a comma, and add Vincent van Gogh to it. It is rather intriguing to contemplate what will happen to our images with this notable improvement that is currently being implemented. And let there be code, alright, I will not modify the prompt. And next I would like to make additional changes. Maybe I will make changes to the style itself, so it will not be pop art style, let it be surrealistic painting. Once again, my all-time favorite dip. Surrealistic painting is what I'm really into. It never fails to captivate me. A painting with surreal elements creating a sense of wonder. It is quite simple in its composition. That is the way it is. So now ideally we should witness something incredibly unusual and out of the ordinary. So the combinations of Van Gogh with Andy Warhol appeared to have added a slightly greater level of graphicness, meaning that when we compare these cats, they possess a large amount of precisely such uncomplicated fillings that were indicative of the port style, But now these fillings have become less prominent, and we observe a greater emphasis on intricate and elaborate details, both in terms of quantity and quality, which has resulted in a significant overall increase. So this is precisely the combination that can calmly guide you towards the process of creating something fresh and distinctive in your respective generations, allowing for new and unique ideas to flourish. This is an image depicting a surrealist painting. Please pay attention, as what we have here is an actual tangible painting. We do not have any flat-shaped or simply poured forms in our inventory at the moment. We have strokes, we have volume of light. This is like something new and quite interesting. And the last thing probably that I want to try to do is change the style again. I will add one more artist. Let this artist be Greg Rutkowski. Greg Rutkowski, Vincent van Gogh. I specifically put Greg on. How I don't remember though, there is Y or I. Let it be Y. I am excited to see how Greg's work will complement the overall composition. It will be a unique blend of styles. Vincent van Gogh was a renowned artist. Let his work not be limited to surrealistic painting, but instead explore the realm of digital concept art, pushing boundaries and embracing new possibilities. Style, accordingly, in this case, prompt is not needed, and we generate the same cat. And so we got a completely new vision of something. And here we have a mixture of pop art, what is left of pop art with us. Bright open colors, cyan, magenta, yellow color, all this characterizes pop art. And at the same time, we have developed such carelessness in details. That's exactly right. If you look at the works of Gregor Rutkowski, he is a contemporary artist. He really has such expressive, very expressive work. This expression appeared here. Here it is observed in these strokes, in this refraction of folds, draperies. All this looks really cool. And simultaneously, we possess a small item from Van Gogh that is, in all probability, it is connected to smudges with the technique. From Rutkowski, this expression, well, and in accordance, simple forms, open colors derived from the artwork of Andy Warhol. And as you can see, initially a simple prompt, and with some small additions, it will allow you to create something really new, something unique, something captivating, and don't be afraid to experiment. Try experimenting with various styles, exploring author names, and thoroughly studying the rich history. By doing so, you will be able to generate truly unique and innovative style solutions. Looking forward to seeing you soon.